hii finance bill ya 2025 nataka uende uisome, na most of the time watu hawataelewa, so we grasp chenye utagrasp because I'm about to bring in something. Sasa in this finance bill 2025 the second reading imeisha, and in the second reading they have made certain amendments, na sahi wanaenda to the third reading yenye it's mostly about voting and saying we are going to send it to the president ili assign it becomes a law. So in this finance bill 2025 there are various things yenye watu wamecome in kusema what is going on in this finance bill yenye ina make it easier for us to demonstrate or protest, or what is in this document for us to understand what is in it. So tunataka tuanze na the income tax, and I'm going to do this very briefly. Income tax, kwanza kuna expanded definition of royalty. Expanded definition of royalty is to say ya kwamba royalty unalipia even for the softwares. So kama ulikuwa weni mse wa ma software nini, kuna royalties za software and there'll be a withholding tax. So utakuwa unalipa after, utakuwa unalipa before, and still there is tax free per diem. This is a good thing kwa wase wenye wanataka 2,000 to 10,000. So kama wewe ulikuwa unapewa traveling expenses, unapewa expenses za kujivinjari, ukienda kama holiday, ukienda kama an event ya kazi, from 2,000 to 10,000. Alafu tena kuna for this registered pension funds, for this registered individual retirement funds, na pia kuna tax exemption on payment of his pension benefits. Significant economic presence tax on non-resident over the internet or an electronic device. Yani economic presence, like niko area and I'm a non-resident, so I'm getting economic presence tax. Hiyo ni ya kusema kama uko nje na you are working from outside but you are working for Kenyans, unapata do yako Kenya, you have significant economic presence tax. Alafu pia kuna minimum top up. Minimum top up for multinational companies. So in case multinational inalipa do less compared to other countries, na hiyo do less ni less than 15%, hiyo lazima watapata minimum top up ya hiyo 15% ili kuwe 15%. Na hiyo ni in case that company iko na turnover ya euros 750 million. Na still kuna allowance or depreciation tax. So in case utensils zako ziko na ngori ama utensils zako ziko na shida, wamepunguza, wamesema you will not be paying tax on utensils. Na wanasema exemption of tax for a third of the total gains of profit from employment income of a non-resident. Kama wewe ni non-resident, a third of your profit zinatolewa kwa sababu ni non-resident, so anaku-exempt. Alafu allowable deduction towards sports initiative. Kama wewe una deal na sports, uko na sport initiative, unasema ati unataka kufungua kampuni mahali, unataka kufungua sport center, unataka kufungua staff ya mayouth, upuzi tu kama hizo, unapatiwa allowable deduction. So unasema reject the provision that empower the commissioner to determine the cost of timber. So commissioner alikuwa na power yenye inasema kama uko na timber hapo kejani, uko na timber kwa hiyo plot yenu, ana determine the cost of your timber. So sasa hii ni wewe utakuwa ambia commissioner the size of timber yenye niko nayo na the value of timber. Alafu mortgage interest deduction of up to 360,000. So mortgage accrue interest. So your interest inakuwa deducted up to 360,000. So the next one we'll be discussing on is the capital loss on disposal of assets. So kama ulikuwa uko na capital loss on disposal of assets, ina reduce your tax using that loss to cancel out profits, ama inakuwa carried forward to the next financial year. Alafu kuna country by country reporting. So kuna hizi multinational enterprises groups with a consolidated turnover of more than 95 billion to the commissioner by the end of the 12th month. So hizi by country reporting ni hizi za multinational companies zenye ziko in more than 2 countries. Unapata iko in Kenya na Rwanda, iko in Kenya na Zanzibar, iko in Kenya na wapi. Alafu amendment related to change of accounting year used to apply to commissioner at least 6 months before the year end. Now automatic approval of such application. So hiyo application unapata sign automatic. Hauhitaji eti commissioner apatwe 6 months. Hii ni amendment relating to change of accounting year. So taxation of a non-resident ship owner. Non-resident ship owner ni ule ship owner mwenye akai Kenya. So yeye analeta vitu. So huyo resident ndo atakuwa na pay a withholding tax. Wewe una ship vitu kutoka kwenye una ship, wewe ndo unalipa withholding tax. Ni kusema let's say nataka ni ship phone. So mimi ndo nitakuwa nalipia hiyo fund, CEO ship owner ndo analipia. Alafu kuna extension of term for issuance of income tax exception certificate na charitable organization for religion, education, relief of property. Time extended to 90 days from 60 days by the commissioner. So ukipata kama uko na charitable organization, commissioner alikuwa anatumia 90 days. Sasa hii ni 60. Ndio upate hizo certification. Alafu special economic zones gains on transfer are exempt from tax. Bill proposes only licensed SEZ developer, enterprise or operator. So hii special economic zones gains on transfer, kama wewe uni SEZ developer lazima upate certification ya gava, upate licensing ya enterprise ama operator, au ndo pekee unapata hiyo special economic zones gains. Alafu kuna reduced digital asset tax rate from 3% to 1.5%. So tuseme wewe ni msee mwenye una work na crypto, unasema I need some money, na ili kwa during the first reading walikuwa na discuss wakiuliza large corporations vile wanataka wakame in wa spend do. So in this type of digital asset is, let's say, cryptocurrency. So ukiwa, as long as you are selling crypto and buying, unapigwa 3%. Sasa hiyo anataka kuchange kwa 1.5%. Imagine, tax incentive for companies certified by Nairobi International Finance Center Authority. Inaitwa NIFCA, 3 billion. 70% of senior management being Kenya, 15% for the first 10 years, 20% following years. Hiyo ni tax incentive. Member clubs and trade associations will now be treated as companies for the purpose of capital gains tax. Capital gains tax ni ile tax yenye ina increase as your capital ina increase. Let's say kama stock yenu ina sell for 200, stock ikwe ina for 300, the 100 difference ndio capital gains tax. So anasema member clubs and trade associations zitakuwa viewed as companies and they'll be paying as the capital gains tax. Alafu your capital gains tax exception to a company owned by immediate family or family members. So mimi bro yangu, sister yangu akiwa na own, hiyo capital gains tax iko exempted. So hiyo ndio the income tax. Guys, tune in because nataka saini walete the VAT na all these tax procedures. Ndio ili to discuss further the amendments zenye zimekuwa in this finance bill 2025.